Looking for the best floor machines? In this video we will look at some of the top 3 floor machines on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check out, to see which is in your budget range. At number 3, Koblenz, Industrial Model. A top-of-the-line, professional-grade cleaner on a budget, tough, powerful, and even has a great warranty. Wide cleaning path, 2. Slightly cheaper than professional models, but with many of the same features. Tough, powerful, and a great warranty, 2. A bit too powerful for some users, and there's a learning curve involved. Pricey. At number 2. Bissell, BigGreen Hercules Scrub and Clean Floor Machine. Lightweight and easy to use. Comes with a collection of scrubbing and polishing pads for numerous tasks. Adjustable handle. Low price. Easy to use. Compact machine that's simple to use and store. Budget-friendly option that's suitable for light to moderate jobs. May take multiple passes on extremely dirty areas. Some durability and longevity concerns. A number 1. Oreck Orbiter, 13-inch cleaning path. Simplicity of machine leads to durability. Powerful enough for most home applications, easy to use. Extra long cord is great for cleaning large areas. Fantastic machine for all hard surfaces, even wood and laminate flooring. Simple design means this will last a long time. Small coverage area, cleaning pads cost extra. A few reports of units that quit working properly with regular use. To buy or check price, click link in description. Please like and subscribe our channel for more products reviews.